Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You've got the basics, now start. Make sure your watch is paired and snug so heart rate and motion sensors read accurately. Open the workout app, choose the activity that matches what you'll do, then set a clear goal: time, distance, or calories. Once you tap start, the watch begins recording heart rate, GPS, and motion automatically. Starting immediately captures warm-up data and prevents splits from including idle time, so you get clean metrics for pace, cadence, and calories burned. While you're working out, watch the live metrics and use them to adjust effort. You can swipe through screens to see heart rate, pace, distance, cadence, and elevation. These guide how hard you push. Make sure auto pause is enabled for stop-and-go sessions, and turn on haptic or voice feedback so you don't need to look down. If you want different stats, customize the workout view on your watch or in the iPhone Watch app. That way, the most important data is always front and center while you train. Wrap up by tapping end and reviewing the summary to confirm distance, time, and calories. Save the workout so it syncs to the iPhone health and fitness apps for trends and history. If you need accuracy fixes, edit the workout on your iPhone to combine segments or remove pauses. If something goes wrong, missing GPS or heart rate spikes, first check wrist fit and that GPS and background app refresh are enabled. Then restart the watch and iPhone if data still looks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.